Two of the world's largest democracies, India and the United States, operate under vastly different legal systems. One follows a unified constitution with decentralized personal laws, while the other debates the implementation of a uniform civil code or UCC. But what can India learn from the American legal framework? And how do these systems compare when it comes to personal laws, religious freedom, and equality? Let's break it down. The United States Constitution, adopted in 1787, is a single document that forms the supreme law of the land. It does not mandate a uniform civil code for personal laws. Instead, matters like marriage, divorce, and inheritance are governed by the state laws. This means that rules can differ from state to state, allowing for local variations while staying within the constitutional boundaries. Now, let's compare this with India. The Indian Constitution, adopted in 1950, includes a vision for a uniform civil code under Article 44. But here's the catch. It's a directive principle, meaning it's not legally enforceable. Despite being a constitutional goal, it has not been implemented at a national level due to concerns around religious diversity. Religious freedoms is deeply rooted in the United States under the First Amendment. This allows states to craft laws that cater to their populations while ensuring that the government doesn't interfere with religious practices. For example, some states allow same-sex marriage while others have different regulations based on local values. India, on the other hand, follows a religion-specific personal law system. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and other religious groups each have their own personal laws. A UCC would replace these multiple legal systems with one common law for all citizens, raising both hope and controversy. The debate on the Uniform Civil Code is one of the most heated legal discussions in India. On one side, supporters argue that a UCC could promote gender equality, ensure legal uniformity, and foster national integration. On the other side, critics believe that enforcing a single set of laws could erode religious identities and infringe upon religious freedoms. For example, Hindu marriage laws and Muslim marriage laws differ significantly. A UCC could bring uniformity, but would it lead to loss of cultural traditions? That's the core concern. In the US, landmark court cases have shaped personal laws over time. A key example is Brown versus Board of Education in 1954, which declared racial segregation unconstitutional. This shows how constitutional principles can evolve to promote equality. India, on the other hand, has seen significant legal battles in personal laws. A major case is Shahbano Begum versus Muhammad Ahmad Khan in 1985, where the Supreme Court ruled in favor of maintenance rights for a Muslim woman under secular laws. This judgment sparked massive debates on whether religious laws should override constitutional rights, reinforcing the need for a uniform civil code. So, if implemented, what could a UCC do for India? Let's break down the key benefits. Gender equality, ensuring the same rights for men and women in marriage, divorce, and inheritance. Legal clarity, a single law reduces confusion caused by multiple personal laws. National integration, strengthening the idea of a unified legal identity. Many argue that if laws like abolition of untouchability and criminalization of triple talaq could be enforced for greater social justice, why not uniform civil code? Despite being a constitutional directive, the UCC has not been implemented for over 70 years. The primary roadblocks: religious sensitivities, fear of diluting cultural identities, political resistance. Different governments have handled the issue cautiously. Legal complexities. India has over 2000 personal laws. Unifying them is a challenge. Even today, states like Goa are the only ones with a form of UCC, inherited from Portuguese civil laws. But can this be expanded nationwide? While the US doesn't have a uniform civil code, its legal framework provides some insights for India. Federalism, allowing state level autonomy while maintaining national integrity. Judicial activism, the courts have played a role in shaping progressive laws. Gradual legal evolution. The US has adopted laws over time instead of sudden change. Could India adopt a phased approach? First, unifying some aspects of personal laws before enforcing a full UCC. That's a key question. The debate on the UCC is not just about laws, it's about identity, progress, and justice. Should India move towards a uniform civil code or should personal laws remain untouched? The conversation is far from over. What do you think? Should India implement a uniform civil code? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal insights. Take care. Bye.